Welcome to VM Wealth Money Moves, your weekly roundup of the market movements that matter on the equity market. On November 6th, Sagicor Select Funds released a prospectus for the sale of up to 4 billion shares to the public. Sagicor Select Funds has been structured as a passive listed equity fund where a separate class of shares of the company will represent a separate fund of the company. This share offer will be for Class C shares in relation to the Manufacturing and Distribution Fund. This fund will primarily invest in securities listed on the JSE with the objective of tracking the newly formed Manufacturing and Distribution Index. Shares are priced at $1 for the general public and 98 cents for Sagicor employees. The offer is scheduled to open on November 20th and close December 4th. On the money market, the weekly 30-day CD offer was for $9 billion. The offer was oversubscribed by more than $8 billion for 43 bids. 21 of these bids were successful, and the average yield on successful bids was 0.99%. On the bond market, the trade optimism that was being echoed last week has halted since news of a delay in the signing of the Phase 1 trade deal between the US and China was released. Investors became risk-off, causing the yield on the benchmark 10-year Treasury to decrease by 3 basis points to 1.83% on November 6th. The news also led to a decrease in emerging market bond prices. Notable, the Jaman 2039 bond price decreased from an all-time high of $133.59 to $132.80 on November 6th. On the foreign exchange market, the intense demand for the US dollar has remained, causing the Jamaican dollar to fall to record lows. This demand is caused by the Bank of Jamaica's public sector entity facility, which requires all authorized dealers and cambios to sell a proportion of their daily purchases to the central bank, along with capital market initiatives. There has been no central bank intervention. According to the Bank of Jamaica's weighted average selling rate, the Jamaican dollar has depreciated 98 cents since the start of November to close at $141.10 on November 5th. Contact your VM Wealth advisor before you make your next money move. Email wealthinfo@myvmgroup.com.